Okay, Fatima, this is a pretty good job that you've done here. You have good background here on your outline, gestational age. One thing that you could sort of focus on why are they doing it in this region, yeah? Why is it with Sudanese babies? You should always ask yourself that question. Why are they limiting it to that group? But you've outlined exactly what um, the focus should be and all that. Okay, methods materials very good as well. You have to remember that they're going to talk about the correlation between these external features and the gestational age. How correct are these features in predicting the gestational age? Okay, so that's one little area that you're missing. Your conclusion, you've highlighted the important ones, and your results, you have the important numbers. So that's great. You're on track for that. Let's just see how your writing is. Okay, gestational age of babies assessed by external physical characters is known. It is known that a minimum number of these characteristics are important in developing countries. Okay, I think you've rephrased this. You need to say a minimal number is needed for developing countries, right? So this study, well, okay, so this should be a separate sentence because you're talking about the aim. The aim is usually a separate sentence, okay? You try to combine these two sentences, and it doesn't really work. Evaluating 11 external features to determine gestational age in Sudanese babies. Good. Okay, then you outline the number. Okay, 105 girls and 95 boys who are less than 72 hours old were assessed. Okay, good. So this is the where and the when. Good. The characteristics are okay, and you've outlined all the characteristics. Excellent. Okay, it was found that the gestational mean age. Okay, this is not important. The gestational mean age is not an important factor. They don't talk about it in the conclusion. They don't talk about it in the aim. You do not need to have that in the write-up. The highest characteristic values are breast size. Okay, the highest characteristic values. I think what you want to say here is the highest correlation values. Okay, because again, you need to look at the statistics unit because you don't seem to understand what the values means. Okay, the value of skin color. Okay, it's not a value. There's a major difference between the Sudanese study and the other studies. Okay, these results suggest that the best character. Okay, I don't think you've explained the problem with the skin color interfering with skin texture. Okay, so I think you need to make that more clear. Studies. So these results suggest that the best characteristics of these are okay. So you're repeating yourself a little bit here, except for skin color. Okay, so here you've explained why they have different ethnic groups. Okay, very good. I would say that because you've missed the whole idea of correlational, the correlation between the physical characteristics and gestational age, and also because you have information here that's not needed, and also that you haven't explained exactly what you meant by the skin color problem, and you've repeated that point. Okay, the other point is explaining why in the background why they want a minimum number. So I think that honestly that this would probably be close to a B paper, but very good. Okay, you're on your way to getting A's. You just need to be a little bit more thorough. Okay, but let's see how you do on the practice exam today. Good job.